In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign people in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the right column and assign the right team members to each task, so your board stays organized and everyone knows what they're responsible for. Let's start with the foundation, which is the people column. This is the special column type in Monday.com that lets you attach real users on your account to specific items on your board. If you don't have this column yet, nothing can be assigned, so we'll add it first. Look toward the far right side of your existing columns on the board. You should see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This opens a menu of different column types that you can add. Monday.com has a lot of options here like status, date, text, and more, but for assigning team members, you want the one labeled People. From that list, select People. As soon as you click it, Monday.com will automatically add a new People column to your board. You'll see it appear alongside your other columns, ready for you to use. If you want, you can rename the column to something like Owner or Assignee to make it clearer to your team, but the default name works just fine. Now that the People column is in place, you're ready to assign a person to a specific item, which might be a task, a project, or any line on your board. Find the item you want to assign and move across that row until you're under your new People column. Click inside that empty cell. When you click the cell, a pop-up window will appear. This window shows a list of existing team members who have access to your account or workspace. Take a moment to scan through the names and find the person who should be responsible for that task. Once you see the correct name, simply click it. As soon as you do, their name and profile icon will appear in that cell. That item is now officially assigned to them. You can repeat this same process for each item on your board, clicking the cell under the People column and choosing the right team member every time. That's all there is to it. Add the People column, click the cell for an item, and choose the team member from the list.